Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. Very brief video. A lot of you have been talking about this online. It's the two color, they make it black on black, but this is the black on beige, black on cream phone holder. It's actually designed to hold a phone. So in terms of its size, if you are a Mini Kelly fan, this is the size. Mini Kelly's about a half of an inch longer and maybe a half of an inch taller. So it's pretty comparable. Obviously the leather on this is a little bit more flexible, which is a good thing. So let me show you the inside. I actually like this guy. I have quickly ran out of the door, put a credit card in here and ran out, and it did hold my key very begrudgingly and my phone. So that was cool. If they had put a back pocket on it, it would have been a true score. But I like it. I think it's very cool. Nice magnetic closure. I'll show you where it falls on the body. It has a pocket inside, a card holder inside, and it has a little zip compartment here as well. They did make this in a flap version. If you want a bigger bag and you like this style, there's a flap. There's a few out there still, so you have to hunt around. Try the department stores. Big clue there. The chain has beige with gold, and it's not bright gold, or it wouldn't even be in my repertoire of pieces. I believe it's lambskin, or at the very least calfskin. I didn't ask, but it's a very soft leather. What I know is it's not caviar. And let me show you where it hits on the body. It hits here. To me, it's about perfect. Maybe, a little bit higher up crossbody. It looks like this. And mostly I think for me, it's just a very simple, easy piece to, you're running out the door, you have your keys and your phone, and you're not going to be gone long and you want to put it in something cool. I think it's a nice piece. So there are some out there, again, if you are interested. And there were a bunch of resellers, unfortunately, that bought a lot of them and tried to sell them for more. But the stores got more, and we're in good shape to not have to buy from resellers. So not that there's anything wrong with that. I'm all for getting what you want. So go for it. But yeah, so there's more of these available, and I do recommend it. I like it. So have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.